Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we'll learn Vlookup formula in Excel. We have a table here. This is my data. This is a ID number. This is a name. This is the designation. This is my salary. Vlookup full for vertical lookup. Vlookup is very important formula because after applying the Vlookup formula, just by entering the ID number, you will get the entered data in just second. Suppose my supervisor give me anything particular number, ID number, again ask me total detail. Suppose 105, 104, 103, 103, 103. Again ask me total detail. So what can I do? I use the Vlookup formula. I use the keyboard equal to Vlookup bracket start lookup value. This is my lookup value. This is my lookup value, comma, table array, again table array, select the all table, comma, again column index name 1 2 2 is comma, again exact match 0 bracket close or enter. You can see 103, this name Jamil, 103, you can see Jamil, this show. Again designation same, equal to Vlookup bracket start lookup value. This is my lookup value, comma, table array, select the all table, comma, column index, now ID designation, so 1 2 3 3, comma, exact match 0 bracket close or enter. Again review salary equal to Vlookup bracket start lookup value. This is my lookup value, comma, table array, select the all table, comma, column index, now I need salary 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 4, comma, again exact match 0 bracket close, enter. You can see this may 103 103, this may data Jamil Harper 400. So now I use, suppose I need particular ID 111 111, just enter, again 112, you can see 112 ID number, name Qureshi, this is my description helper, this is the salary. So easy. Vlookup is very good formula because after applying the Vlookup formula, just by entering the ID number, you will get data in just seconds.